guys, I'm here with definitely one of my faves, RPG Hair. Yes, guys, I've been rocking with RPG Hairwig for almost 4 years now. So you know the love real, almost 4 years. So yeah, same packaging as usual. Open it, and you know, since recent times started to put the wig in drawstring bag, so they're upping their presentation a bit. I got a brush here on the inside, edge comb and brush. I got flyaway tamer, pamphlet with hair care, social media information, all that good stuff, and a wig cap. Not too bad. Nice little package, yeah. So let's jump into the wig that we got today. They also sent a extra elastic band, so if you need more security on your wig. Right, oh, the packaging, one thing I can say for sure to you guys is that this hair is extremely soft. It feels really nice and soft, and I love the curls. This is another highlight wig. The code for this wig is LFW427W, okay? So it's like a mixture of number 27 and brown is the highlight. I it around the place to the summer. It's very nice, very trendy. This is in 20 inches. It's a lace front wig. It's 150% in density. And yeah, I love this. It's full from the roots to the tip. I can't wait to go ahead and install this because I'm gonna be shooting with this tomorrow. I have a shoot and I just want to get all dolled up and cute with this. It is pre-plucked, so that's always a win. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing this. Let's go.
And lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky. Lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, give up this
I decided that I want to do half up, half down. So I'm literally just going to like use my hot comb with my wax, and because I'm pulling it all back, I just sometimes when I'm pulling back my wig, I just get the vibe of doing the most with the baby hair, the little twirls, the swoops. Yeah, all I really added was this twirl here in the middle. You really don't have to do that. You know, I know some people be like, you know, that's just doing the most. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. It's totally optional. So yeah, you could totally do the whole pull back look if you want, if that's what floats your boat. But that's not what I did today. Yeah, but I'm loving it. I'm going to just you know, as I said, do the half up, half down look, and do that whole pull back vibe. Before I get into that, I'm gonna just use my hot comb and my wax, as I said before, to kind of just sleek back everything right here and get it in a nice ponytail. So that's literally all I'm going to do right now. It was really easy to install, really manageable and everything. So I get my flyaway tamer and just put it all over the front here. This is how I'm looking. This is how the hair is looking, the half up, half down. And I really don't want to do like the wet look today. I'm just running my fingers through that. It's so pretty. And I have this little cute scrunchie. I got it out of one of my packages, previous packages. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is where it catches me. Definitely the vibes that I want. Nice sleek in the front, and the baby hairs just add to this look. It really does. As I said before, you don't have to do it if you don't want. But that's the wig look for today. I am feeling it. I love it. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. And I can easily add this to my summer streak series. Like, we're fully, like, summer is in full effect right now, okay? And yeah, this is a look. This is a vibe. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, the direct link where you can go ahead and shop it if you're interested. Shout out to RPG Hair once more for coming through with the quality. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You know, you guys know how I do it. I come, I apply, I style, and I'm out. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it for now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel if you haven't already. PETITE-SUE TV. More vlogs coming up. It's about to be lit. So yeah, if you're not keeping up with that, go ahead and check that out. And subscribe here if you're not yet subscribed. So yeah, that's it for today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then,